Alright, so hey guys, welcome back. So in this lecture I am going to show how we can integrate the Jenkins with the SonarQube server. So if I go to this URL localhost 9000, you can see this is my SonarQube server which is up and running. You can see the SonarQube is operational, this is up and running, and I can access the SonarQube server by this URL 9000 on my local system. Here the Jenkins, we need to do some configuration. So if I go and see, the JDK installation configuration is done and the Github integration is done, maven integration is done. Now we need to do some SonarQube related configurations. So I'll go back to the Jenkins and I'm going to create a new item, and then I'll create a job. Test with the Sonar job, I'll select the freestyle project and click on OK. Now first let me do some code configuration. So get under there, I need to provide this path of the repository. I'll go to the code and I will select the path and I will provide it here. So I don't have any error. So if you scroll down, triggers, so that we will see later. Now environment, delete the workspace before the build start. Now the build steps, let me select invoke the top level maven target, and by default I'm going to select the maven, and the target is the maven install. This is as of now we are going to select this one. Now I'm just going to apply. So this is a basic configuration for the Git and the maven is done. Now how we can do with the SonarQube configuration. So first let me go back to the dashboard, go back to the manage Jenkins. Under the manage Jenkins, first go to the plugins. Under the plugins, go to the available plugins. Now select the Sonar Scanner. So Sonar Scanner is the plugin. If you are not finding, go to the installed plugin. If the plugin is already installed, so if you go and search with the Sonar, you can see the Sonar Quality Gate plugin is already installed and Sonar Scanner for the Jenkins. So if this plugin is not installed for you, you need to install this plugin. So this is the main plugin we need to install. I have already installed, so this is showing with the install. So you can go to the available plugins and search this plugin. You will get the plugin and just simply install the plugin. Okay, this is the first thing we have to do. After that, we have the SonarQube server is up and running. So we need to do the integration between Jenkins and the SonarQube server. So how we can do that? So first go to the manage Jenkins, scroll down, then go to the system. Now under the systems, if you scroll down, you can see the SonarQube server is there. So here we need to do some configuration. So first is that add the SonarQube. So when you click on this add the SonarQube, provide the name Sonar server. This is the name of the Sonar server. Now here we need to provide the server URL. So as of now my SonarQube is running on localhost 9000. So we will provide this URL. If we are running the SonarQube on EC2 instance, you copy the URL, public internet URL, and provide it here. And now here the server authentication token. We need to provide some token based authentication. So what we can do, we need to add the token. Click on the add and then select the Jenkins. Now here in the kind, you need to select the secret text. Okay, the kind is the secret text and the scope will be the global. Now here the secret, so here we need to provide the token value. So we can generate the token from the SonarQube. So I'll go to the SonarQube and go to your account. I'll click on the my account. Then here the security is there. Now here you can generate a token. Okay, so we already have some user token, and now let me generate a new token, new user token. And this is the type of the user token. We want to perform the user authentications. Now let's generate. Now copy this token and paste it somewhere for the future use, and copy the token, come back to Jenkins and provide under the secret, and now add. And now in the drop down you need to select the secret text. I already added so many secret text, so I'm going to select any secret text. So if you are seeing the secret text, you can select that one. And after that, here you can see the one more setting is there, enable variables, environmental variables. So this we need to check. So we need to select this one, apply and save. Now the SonarQube configuration is done for us. Now let me run the SonarQube job. So I'll go to the job. Now let me build the job. So now the build will start. Now here we can see the console output. So let me see the job should be executed successfully or not. Okay, so build is successful, but we are not getting any sonar analysis here. The reason is why, because we are not using the SonarQube command. So now let me go back to the job and go to the configuration of the job. After that, go to the build steps. Under the build steps, we have select only the goal is clean install. We need to provide the goal sonar. This is the maven goal by which we will get the SonarQube analysis report. So I will apply and save. Now again build now this job. You can see the new build will be triggered here. Let's go back and see on the console output. Okay, so this time you can see the analysis will start. Sonar 4.0 is running, so you can see the sonar is up and running. Now you can see the analysis already started. It's loading everything, the plugin and the process and the project tree, and it is executing the pom.xml file, and in the target it will generating the sonar, and it is loading the project setting for the component. This is the, it also load the quality profile, and now the quality profile for the Java. This is the by default we are using the sonar way. Okay, so we have the build is successfully done. Now you can see the analysis also successful. So you can find the result at this location. So you just click on this link and it will load the link. Otherwise you can go to your SonarQube and go to the project and just wait for some time. To wait around 10 seconds so that the SonarQube report will be published here. This is the link. If I click on this link, I will see the new analysis is in progress. Right. So now you can see the last analysis 1 minute ago. That means the analysis is done. So if I refresh the existing one, I can see this is passed and the analysis done 1 minute ago. And this is the link where we have. So now if I go and see the issues, you can see all the issues are there. And this is the code. Under this code, we have the src folder and we have the 2 Java source files that got analyzed from the SonarQube server. Like that, we can integrate the sonar job. This is the way by which we can trigger the Jenkins job and we can get the SonarQube analysis on the SonarQube server. Now this is the way how we are doing with the Jenkins freestyle project. So now in the next video I will show you how we can perform with the pipelines.